Howdy. Now I was doing some research about stuff, and I stumbled across this one, which in a way didn't have really something to do with the things I was searching for, but uh, it has to do with it since like everything is connected. And just the title sounded very interesting. I haven't read the whole paper yet because it's rather long, but I just wanted to share you the beginning of the paper, and hopefully someone is interested into this because I think that's a very interesting topic and it's very nicely written. So now let's go just into this paper. And yeah, it's an accidental find. The geometry of infinite mind and living systems. Yeah, now I try to get myself a bit together. Abstract. How does the universe communicate with itself and hence to its life forms, unhampered by time dependency? The electromagnetic wave theory of gravity will be used to demonstrate intergalactic information wave coupling via instantaneous longitudinal transmissions into and out of the solar system. Yeah, there's probably no gravity waves, or I don't know what he's talking about, but you know, it's up to each individual. Let's continue. With the plotting of solar system resonances, interplanetary coupling, magnetospheric and Schumann resonances, and free geomagnetic oscillations of the Earth, we will begin to understand how this cosmic information becomes available to human bioenergies. The vertically arrayed human body senses and functions within the Earth's ever-changing local atmospheric electrical potential and the longitudinal gravity waves which the Earth intercepts are sensed by the human body nervous system. A multiplicity of solar system vibration signals occur within the same spectrum octaves as the detected brain-body signals. The extremely low frequency, long wavelength near field signals associated with interstellar and intergalactic gravity coupling will be shown to be detected in a similar manner by our brain body sensing mechanism. These naturally occurring information signals bring about changes within the human body energy pathways, restructure body water resonances, modulate the DNA processes, and stimulate other circadian rhythm entrainments. Introduction. As we move about the planetary surface in our daily activities, we are generally unaware of the vast information exchange occurring within our human body structure and of how our individual minds continually communicate with the planetary, stellar, galactic, and cosmic mind. Does that last sentence surprise you? Please join me as I try to describe for you this apparent intimate instantaneous interconnection of our very own brain body mind to the immensity of the universe. First of all, if you take a few minutes to sit in a very quiet environment and listen, you will hear between the thoughts an inner sound like electronic music or signal activity going on with your own biosystem. This continuous inner sound of activity, not of the ears, if watched closely, will be heard to change its musical tones as you alter your physical motions. Open or close your eyes, move your limbs. It will also change subtly while you physically remain very still. Anytime that you are able to bring your attention to this inner activity, it may be heard. when simultaneous electromagnetic measurements are performed for the detection of brainwave signals and for the detection of the Earth and atmospheric activity, it is found that there are many synchronous frequencies detected. Constant vibration. As I prepare this topic, I am sitting in the warm morning sun along tree-lined shore of Moosehead Lake in northern Maine. Just as I hear the waves of this large body of water lapping the many rocks along the shore, so also do the waves of cosmic inspired energies lap the boundaries of our earthly home. Ripples from throughout the galaxy and beyond sweep through and around this earth and lap against the shores of our mind, while bringing all the changes, information, and greater understanding of our place within this great universal being, inspiring us onward to our greater selves. Let me tell you a story that takes you on a journey within and throughout your very own self. All matter is in constant vibration. The building blocks of the physical creation, the atoms, the subatomic particles, electrons, protons, gluons, quarks, and all the other names that we use, are all in constant motion. All are receiving, transmitting, and reflecting the vibrations which sweep through all matter at light velocities. Consider that within atoms there are electron packets of energy that are singing the same vibrational song throughout your body, brain body, the earth, solar system, and universe. This is a sounding chorus of the one great electric body. There are other subatomic vibrations with other ever constant songs which harmonize within you now. These subatomic resonances harmonize together, whether they help build a dancing water bug, a granite cliff, a twirling planet, a blazing star, or a swirling galaxy. As I sat here, gazing across Moosehead Lake, my softly breathing body, the sparkling water, the verdant pine needles, even the mass of Squaw Mountain across the lake sings the electronic sound of the building blocks of creation, the music of subatomic magic. All of the atomic structures of the elements have their own unique natural resonances, which astronomers and chemists use in spectrum analysis for determining the chemical content of the distant and near at hand combinations of the material soup. Light spectrum analysis and nuclear magnetic resonance are but two of the ways that we observe the nature of vibration in the atomic structure and the way that the atoms combine into molecules for wondrous constructive purposes. Not only are these atomic and molecular resonances radiating from here on Earth, but also their frequency spectrums are detectable coming into the Earth from far space. For example, astronomers choose to observe the spectrum associated with hydrogen resonance in their interstellar and intergalactic searches. The whole electromagnetic spectrum from infinity to infinity, at the upper high energy cosmic ray frequencies and through to the very long wavelength and slow rhythms of planetary, stellar, and galactic motions may be detected here on Earth's vicinity by electromagnetic sensors of various types. The energies of the human body receive and transmit the spectrums and resonances of light. Complexities of electromagnetic vibrations stream into and out of the cellular and skeletal structure. We listen to the infrared, microwave, radio, visible and slow cosmically driven extremely low frequencies. The cells move visibly in response to these electrical pulses by stimulating glands, triggering the heart muscles, and setting our overall moment to moment environment. Our total being responds to the song of the universe. Through touch, we exchange this alignment and attunement of cosmic inspired wonderment. We are the transducers of this light. The human organism maintains its function balanced by a dynamic information exchange between its various systems and the environment. Information exchange occurs at all levels within the organism. Electromagnetic radiation may be seen as electrical and magnetic waves of information moving through space, atmospheric, and the Earth's environment. These appear to create a resonant coupling between atoms in biological molecules that allows them to move together in response to this very low amplitude electromagnetic music. The cells whisper and dance together as they listen to these faint vibrations within and outside the body. Yeah, I really like these kinds of texts. I will put a link below. If you don't have an account to Academia, just make one and you can check out the PDF. I don't know how to download it and put it further, but I really recommend you to read this and have a thought. Yeah, I think I will leave it here. There's like things to do and stuff. Yeah, I started writing again. That's why I started to make some kind of research. By which I stumbled across this paper, which I don't know. Can I? Yeah, probably I could fit it into the paper, but let's see. I just thought this would be interesting for some of you. Something to read. Bioenergetics. There's like so many interesting things here. I just should find time to read the rest. Yeah. This sounds all very interesting. Have fun with this paper. Thanks. Bye.